Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. If you're tired of having the common egg curry, then you can definitely give this recipe a try. So let's dive into the video. To begin with, firstly grease a tiffin box with oil. In a blender jar, I have taken 4 eggs. To this, I am going to add half teaspoon of salt and blend it till nice and frothy. In a pan, add enough water in order to steam the eggs. Now that my eggs are nice and fluffy, I will transfer it to this tiffin box. Pop on the lid and in it goes into the pan of boiling water. Now cut an onion into half and slice it very finely through this mandolin. Now I highly recommend everyone to purchase a mandolin because it makes life so simpler. Now cut a potato into cube shapes. Take a bunch of coriander and chop it up very finely. Now that my eggs are ready, turn off the stove and take out the tiffin box very carefully because it's very hot. Now open the lid and the steamed eggs should look something like this. Now cut it into squares or any shape that you like. Loosen the sides with a sharp knife. Now with a spatula jiggle your way through the egg pieces and make sure that it comes out very nicely. Now in a pan add 5 to 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now drop in the steamed eggs and also the cut potatoes. Now you have to fry it until they turn golden brown in color. Turn it over and cook the other side as well. Once done, take it out onto a plate. To the same pan, add in 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. Once hot, add in few cumin seeds and 1 dried red chili and wait till the aroma releases. Now add in the sliced onions and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar. Wait till the onions caramelize. Add 2 green chilies. Now add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, half teaspoon of haldi powder and mix it very well. Now add 1 medium-sized tomato puree. Add in a little water and cook it off till the raw flavor of the tomato goes away. Now add 1 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of that spicy red chili powder, and give it a quick little mix. Now add water little by little and cook the masalas off till the oil separates and floats on the top. Now check for the seasoning, and once the oil floats on the top, it's time to add in the steamed fried egg pieces. Mix it very well, cover it with a lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the lid and now add in half teaspoon of ghee and top it up with just a pinch of garam masala powder. Mix it very well and now sprinkle in the chopped coriander leaves. Transfer it onto a serving plate and lastly garnish it with chopped coriander.
So today's tip is use a parchment paper or a baking paper when you're steaming the eggs so that it will come out clean with zero wastage. If you have missed my yummy and tasty mutton chop video, then go and check it out. Link is given in the description box down below. Please do follow me on Instagram. Instagram handle is given in the description box down below. And if you have tried any of my recipes, then please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page given right here. Like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.